Hello there. One of the great features on the Nukta dashboard is that you can import customers by Excel. So, if you already have a database of customers and have their names and emails, you can upload them and your customers will automatically get a welcome email from you. They will automatically be assigned a membership number and PIN. All they have to do is sign into their dashboard and change the PIN. Here are the details. Sign in to your manager's dashboard. Go to Import under the Utility tool. First, download the sample Excel file. Populate it with your data. Names and emails are critical. Also, the country and city. Write to us if you cannot find your city in the drop-down menu. You can add dummy information in the other fields which your customer can update later. Accurate data is best. Now upload your updated Excel file without changing the format. You should see a prompt to post your data. Click Post. Any duplicate or wrong data will be rejected by the system. The system will send a welcome email to your customers using your details. See this sample. Ask permission from customers first. Your customers can always delete their account whenever they want. Your customers are now ready to collect points from you by using their email, member number or barcode. If you would like a live demo on how the platform works and want to ask some detailed questions, contact us through our website, nuktaloyalty.com.